This is where it gets personal. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm reporting today from our local hospital here in Santa Barbara, California. This is a branch called the Goleta Valley Hospital. Our community has put up a tent to receive donations from the public. And they put this tent up and you can just drive through and bring whatever you want to donate to your hospital or medical facility. In Santa Barbara, we have a grassroots effort of people putting together things. One of the people that put together a mask here was over 100 years old.
This mask in particular was made by Nettie Graham. She's 100 years old and she's willing to make more. Go Nettie.
By volunteering and giving, it can be a real mood raiser, as you don't feel so powerless because you do something about the situation you're in. And maybe you already have your hands full because you're taking care of loved ones in your home, or you might feel immobilized just out of fear of the situation. Let me tell you something that can also be very helpful. It doesn't take much effort, but it's so emotionally supportive. Many people that do reach out, you might know people that are sewing, or giving, or fundraising, or doing some other effort to help. By supporting them, you will lift them, you will power them. Here we have another donation. Somebody has a full bag of something again. It looks like outer protective wear. How exciting, how wonderful. Look at the joy. Social media is filled with the naysayers in the world. The people that want to couch this issue because for whatever reason, they're not ready to deal with it, or they don't believe it, or for whatever selfish reasons, they're just selfish. By supporting the people that are doing good in community, you will lift their spirits, you will energize them. So get on Facebook, get on your social media, get on your YouTube, and encourage the people that are doing good in this world by helping come up with solutions. What do you have?
Hi, I'm at Santa Barbara Cottage Hospital in Goleta, and I have some masks that we are delivering. It's made out of cotton, and she also put a little metal strip in here like we are recommending that makes it so that the mask can be molded to the person's face. And she did that without my telling her. These are the masks that I made, and I've got them in a bag because I'm trying not to contaminate them. And they also have the metal strip that makes it possible to mold the mask to fit the face of the person who's wearing it. I have a pattern online you can check on Rebecca's site, and it explains how to make them. You just need a sewing machine and some elastic and some fabric and these clips. It took me about 25 minutes to make one, and it's very rewarding knowing that I might be able to help keep one of our amazing health workers safe. It's not very hard to do. You really need a square of fabric that's about 7 by 8 inches, and you need thread and a sewing machine and some elastic. It's really not very hard to do, and I think the instructions are pretty good. You're also welcome to contact me if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to help you. You can reach me on email at Lucinda Aragon, LucindaAragon @yahoo.com.
Wow, that's really amazing, Lucinda.
And this is the one that I made for myself to get around town in. And it has this tight metal part so you can form it, shape it to your face. And then you put these little elastics around your ears and you're set to go. Then under the chin, the pattern, it's fitted because you don't want the germs going out if you have it, and you don't want them coming in if you're around somebody that's affected. Because the droplets from a sneeze are fairly large, and so it's pretty easy for them. They stay in the air for quite a while, and so it's pretty easy for them to get in through the spaces, and that's why we want to make these masks fit as tightly as possible.
And in our town, the newspaper sent a photographer out to get some pictures of Lucinda's masks. We are celebrating the people in our community that help make this a little better.
Yeah, she just turned 100 a month ago, and she's doing these, so. And then
I'm shooting photos of the ongoing donation. And my name is Kenneth Song.
It's a wide variety of stories. Stories about people, and then how they're volunteering or giving back to the community, and then just general what Santa Barbara looks like in these trying times. Do I have gloves for more dense situation?
A couple of great stories collected by our Elise Martinez here. We want to tell you about people that are giving back or that are helping. The story we found is out of Montecito. It's a man that is going above and beyond to help the most vulnerable in our community. This is Adam McCaig. He says that he was compelled to try to help people who are either elderly or sick, maybe even both, and then they're stuck inside their homes without resources. So he posted his phone number on Facebook, offering to pick up groceries, medications, whatever they need, and then deliver it to their homes. Well, people have been calling Adam, and he made a stop at a store yesterday afternoon, delivering groceries to a family in downtown Santa Barbara. He says that he's also gathered an army of volunteers who are willing to do the same thing if needed. So way to go, Adam.
Every day I wake up to Joey Butita and Elise Martinez, and these are the great stories they share.
Hey Joe, how's it going? I am practicing social distancing in my kitchen, and I've been finding all these stories of all the helpers who have been doing such good things in our community. Today, I want to start with Generation Z. Generation Z helping out our boomers in our community. This is a group of local high school students helping those in need right now. 17-year-old Daniel Goldberg founded Zoomers to Boomers. Zoomers to Boomers is a group of teens ages 16 to 17 who are delivering groceries and prescriptions to the elderly and those with compromised immune systems who are sheltering at home right now.
Students throughout the Ventura Unified School District are making face shields for local doctors and nurses. News Channel reporter Senere de los Santos shows us how they are stepping up in this time of need.
Now we're producing somewhere between 30 and 40 a day.
3D printers are being put to are just kids.
It's high school, middle, and even elementary school kids who are doing this. I couldn't be more proud of them.
Alex Wolf is the founder of the nonprofit organization STEMbassadors.
And I'm sure in your community, you have all kinds of things like this going on. So even if you can't be Lucinda, you can't be Adam McCaig and the other people here. Support them as they have their energy and they go forth.
Oh my gosh, fantastic that I made.
So I hope you use anything you got, whether it's a sewing machine, scissors, driving, delivering meals, food pantry, donations, anything you got to go forward. And it's healing to yourself, it's empowering to you, and it helps other people. And that's what we need right now. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell above because that makes it so you get notified of my next video. Your support, your comments, your likes, everything that you do on this channel will help more people see this video. So chime in with your thoughts. It's amazing. No matter what part of the world you're from, it is important for us all to hear your stories. This is where it gets personal. The news media can't cover all that. They just don't have the time. But here on YouTube, we can. We can read each other's stories. We can connect with what it's really like, feet on the ground. This is life. Thanks for watching. I know I get a little wordy, but I really appreciate all your support and everything you're doing because I know you are. Bye-bye now. Let's talk tomorrow.